Hello! My name is John Chris Turalba, a third-year student pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Information Systems at Caraga State University. I am deeply passionate about technology and its potential to transform lives, with a strong foundation in software development, data analysis, and IT project management. I am committed to leveraging my skills to contribute meaningfully in the field of information technology. Throughout my academic journey, I have honed my technical skills in an area such as web development, programming, database management, and cybersecurity. My proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and NoSQL allows me to design and manage robust web applications. Additionally, I have a keen understanding and a data analytics visualization, enabling me to extract meaningful insight from complex datasets. I have also contribute to various projects, including the milk pasteurization project, where I served the CEO. My role involved improving technical processes, enhancing milk quality, and optimizing distribution channel. I also spearheaded the IT18 portfolio project as the project executive, focusing on brand visibility and strategic marketing to highlight team expertise and achievements. Graduated with honors both in high school and senior high school, consistently maintaining a 92 average. My project leadership experience have strengthened my problem-solving abilities and honed my skill in project execution and strategic planning. I am eager to bring my technical expertise, leadership skills, and passionate for innovation to real-world projects. I believe that my proactive learning mindset and hands-on experience make me a valuable addition to any IT-driven organization. Thank you for watching.